Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, lesson 6 and 8. Revision work. Okay. Yes, friends. This is lesson 6, exercise 2. Change the words in color to male or female words. Okay. That means this colored word we'd have to change into its opposite word. Okay. The girl was wearing a red t-shirt. So the girl, boy. My uncle was driving the car. So uncle's opposite word is aunt. Anil's mother is a pilot. So mother, father. Grandfather, grandmother. Niece, nephew. Brother, sister. Tigress, tiger. Prince, princess. Okay. This is very much easiest topic, dear students. I hope you will be it would be very much easier for you to practice it and practice it more and more. And this is exercise 8 exercise 1. Write a or an before these words. Okay, that means you have to decide whether you will write a or an. Dear students, you know that before vowel you have to write n. So, and before consonant you have to write a. So number 1, lion. Lion starts with consonant, so a lion. 2, parrot. Parrot starts with consonant. P is consonant. Okay, and you know that A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are vowel. So P is consonant. So A. Then car. A car. Then umbrella. Dear students, A, E, I, O, U. This U is vowel, so we have to use an umbrella. Then number 5, ant. So ant starts with A, so it's a vowel, so an ant. Then number 6, school. School starts with S, so it's consonant, so we have to use A. Then number 7, ox. Ox starts with O. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowel, so O is vowel. So we have to use an ox. Then number 8, pencil. P is consonant, so a pencil. Onion. O is vowel, so an onion. Tree. T is consonant, so a tree. Then apple. A is vowel, so an. Number 12, house. Ace is consonant, so a house. Dear students, this is all about today's revision work class. This class already done at your live class and in the previous YouTube classes. So I hope these items are very much easiest to you. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.